discuss problems of application of integration. First example, find the area bounded by the curve y equal to x into mod x. X axis and the coordinates x equal to -1 and x equal to 1. So first we will draw the graph of the required region. So let us discuss solution. Y equal to curve is given by y equal to x into mod x. Therefore y equal to x square, in which case if x greater than or equal to 0, because by the definition of modulus, mod x equal to x if x greater than or equal to 0 and mod x equal to minus x if x less than 0. So value will be minus x square, mod x equal to minus x if x less than 0. So now let us draw the graph of this curve. Y equal to x square for x greater than or equal to 0 and y equal to minus x square if x less than 0. You can draw the graph by taking the points because we are familiar with y equal to x square, it is parabola, but two different shape will be there. If x greater than or equal to 0, then this will be y equal to x square. This is the graph in the case of x greater than or equal to 0, and this will be graph for x less than 0. Now between -1 to 1, you can observe required portion, it is symmetric in opposite quadrant. So we have to find area of this portion. You can observe required portion, it is symmetric in opposite quadrant. this will be y equal to minus x square. You can also draw the graph by taking the points of the curve here 1, 0, minus 1, 0. If we denote, this one is beta and this one is alpha. So total area equal to required total area equal to alpha plus beta, and it is 2 times alpha. Reason is curve is symmetrical in opposite quadrant. For alpha, limit will be 0 to 1. Limit will be 0 to 1 and curve will be y equal to x square. So y equal to x square dx. So now this is easy to evaluate. Integration x square dx, x cube by 3, 0 to 1. So 2 into, first put upper limit, 1 cube minus lower limit. So this is 2 by 3 square unit. So this is the required area. But on the same time, you can draw the graph by taking the different points. For x greater than or equal to 0, you take points, constant term is absent, so curve passing through origin. If you take x equal to 1, y equal to x square, so it will be 1. If you take x equal to 2, y equal to x square. And if you join the points in first quadrant, you will take graph of this form. Similarly, if you take negative values for x, then you will get shape of the form. This portion is for positive and this portion is for negative x. This is for positive x. You can draw the graph using this method. Next example. So it is exactly same as we have discussed earlier. Find the area of the circle. Find the area of the circle x square plus y square equal to 16. Exterior to the parabola. Y square equal to 6x. So find the area of the circle inside the circle and exterior to the parabola. Y square equal to 16x. The area of the circle x square plus y square equal to 16, exterior to the parabola y square equal to 6x is So let us discuss solution. This is the circle, x square plus y square equal to 16. This is x axis, y axis. Now find the area of the circle. Which part of the circle? Exterior to the parabola y square equal to 6x. Y square equal to 6x, even power of y. So symmetry about x axis. Now exterior to the parabola. This is the parabola, y square equal to 6x. Say x square plus y square equal to 16. So for this circle, area of the circle according to pi r square, it is 16 pi. So entire area, for entire circle, its area is 16 pi. But we have to get area exterior to the parabola. Exterior to the parabola. So we have to find area of this portion. You can observe this is the portion. You observe this one. This is the portion which is portion of the circle and exterior to the parabola. So we have to find area of this region. So from the entire area of the circle 16 pi, we will subtract this portion. Which one? So if we denote this portion by alpha, we denote this one by alpha. So that pink portion, it is a portion which is interior to the circle and exterior to the parabola. So from the entire area 16 pi, we have to subtract area of alpha if we denote this by alpha. First, as usual, find out coordinates of point of intersection by solving x square plus y square equal to 16 and y square equal to 6x. Solving equation 1 and 2, we will get coordinates of point of intersection 2, 2 root 3 and here 2, minus 2 root 3. this is origin O, say A. Now we take foot of perpendicular, we denote this by L, this will be C 4, 0. Now required alpha it is symmetric about x axis, so required area equal to 16 pi, this is area of entire circle minus we have to subtract area of, if we denote this by B, O area of O A C B O. Now since this portion it is symmetric about x axis, so this is 16 pi minus 2 times area of O A C O. So this portion O A C O. Now we will divide it into two parts as we have discussed in the previous sum, because two different parts. For this one it is curve from parabola, while this is the curve circle. So 16 pi minus 2 into area of O A L O plus area of A L C A. So we have divided into two portions. One, this one, this is area O A L O, and plus area of A L C A, that is this portion. This will give area of ALCA. So now we have already solved in the previous sum. So this is 16 pi minus 2 into, now for this portion area of OALO, limit will be here 0, 0. So limit will be 0 to 2, 0 to 2, 0 to 2, and curve y equal to, this is the curve y square equal to 6x, so y equal to root 6x, so this is root 6x dx. So this will give area of OALO plus, now for second portion limit will be 2 to 4, because here x coordinate 2, here x coordinate 4, so limit will be 2 to 4, and curve we have to take curve from the equation of circle, x square plus y square equal to 16, so y square equal to 16 minus x square, so y equal to plus minus under root 16 minus x square, and since y is positive, so this will be 16 minus x square dx. Now easily you can integrate, and as a answer. Now this is ordinary integral, so as a answer you will get 4 by 3 8 pi minus root 3 square unit. This will be the answer, simplification of this one. Here it is easy, you can use 6x raised to, or you take root 6 common, you know how to integrate. Root 6 x raised to 1 half 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2, limit will be 0 to 2, and here you can use formula under root a square minus x square. According to it will be x by 2 under root 16 minus x square plus 16 by 2 a square by 2 sine inverse x by a, so x by 4. Limit will be 2 to 4, and first put upper limit, then put lower limit. So simplification will be 4 by 3 into bracket 8 pi minus root 3 square unit will be your answer. Next one, find the area bounded by the y-axis y equal to cos x and y equal to sin x in 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to pi by 2. So we have to find region R, which is nothing but intersection of y-axis with cos x with sin x. This intersection of these three curves, y-axis, cos x and sin x, in the limit 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to pi by 2. So let us draw the graph sketch of the region. X axis, y axis, zero, pi by 4, pi by 2, 90. This is 1. So first we draw y equal to cos x. So for y equal to cos x, if we take x 0, cos 0, 0, so y is 0. X equal to pi by 4, cos pi by 4, it will be 1 upon root 2, and cos 90 will be 0. We have to draw two graphs, y equal to cos x. First let us draw this graph. X 0, sin 0, 0, so y 0. X 90, pi by 2, then it will be 1. So this is the curve y equal to sin x. Now for y equal to cos x, x 0, cos 0, it is 1. So y equal to 1. Pi by 4, 1 upon root 2, and cos 90 is 0. So this is the curve y equal to cos x, and y axis, this is y axis. So we have to find area of this portion. This is y axis, this is y equal to cos x, this is y equal to sin x, and coordinates of point of intersection, here x equal to pi by 4, then y will be 1 upon root 2. So we have to find area of this orange color, which is area bounded by y axis, y equal to cos x and y equal to sin x. So it is intersection of y intersection cos x intersection sin x, bounded by. So we will not take intersection here, we will replace this thing, bounded by y axis, bounded by y axis. So to avoid any confusion, we remove the intersection. So now let us find area of this orange portion. So required area, if two curves intersection each other, this is y equal to f1x, we apply this theory, two curve y equal to f1x, y equal to f2x intersects each other into x equal to a, x equal to b, then area of this portion. So required area, according to formula, a to b f1x minus f2x dx. A to b limit will be 0 to pi by 4. Upper curve, this curve, it is y equal to cos x. So cos x. So when we use this curve, we will get entire area y equal to cos x, and when we subtract second curve, this will be f2x, which is sin x, y equal to sin x dx. So from entire area we will remove this portion, so this will give this area of dotted portion, that is orange color portion. So limit 0 to pi by 4, here coordinates 0, 0, so limit is 0 to pi by 4. f1x upper curve is cos x minus sin x, so we can remove this portion when we subtract sin x from the entire portion. Now this is ordinary definite integral, integration of cos x sin x plus cos x 0 to pi pi by 4, first put upper limit minus lower limit sin pi by 4 1 upon root 2 cos pi by 4 minus put lower limit sin 0 0 cos 0 1, so 2 upon root 2 minus 1, so simplification it will be root 2 minus 1 square unit. So this is the area of orange portion. So next time we will discuss new chapter, determinant.